So the frost has got your dahlias now and you want to know how to dig up and store your dahlias. Well, I think this is the video for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video today, where today I'll be showing you how to dig up these dahlias. And if you're new around here, click that subscribe button because we do these sorts of videos and all gardening related videos on this channel, so click subscribe. So firstly, you want to get some good pair of secateurs like these. It's nice and sharp to cut through the thick stems, and you want to get at least 3 to 4 inches above your dahlia stems. You want to give it a nice cut, all the branches off. All the branches will be hollow, but that's normal, so don't worry about that. So just cut them off. That easy, just cut them all off. So now grab a fork and just get a decent way from the stems. Try and level that up there like that. So get a decent way from the stems so you don't just butcher the tubers underneath. So just wriggle it in nicely and give it a gentle tease. Only very gently. You don't want to damage these tubers. Give it a nice push it in a bit more. Try and go underneath the tubers. It is more than likely that you will damage some, but you want to try and make sure, that not that many are damaged. Once you can feel it lifting itself, it will be quite easy. There we go. It's coming up. So this is the only one that's got the label on, so I need to make sure the label stays with it. I forgot to label the rest of them. I'm gonna try and get the rest of it up. Got some eggshells and all loads of stuff around here that needs to be composted. I forgot Mr. Stem. Cut that off. Lift it up. Turn it over, and there you can see the tubers. So we need to get as much of this soil off as possible. Try and shake it all off and turn it over. So you need to get loads of this soil off, all of it, because otherwise it will rot over winter. Let's try and so now I've shaken as much soil off as possible. So now you want to put that so it can dry in a nice dry place, otherwise you're defeating the object. Just make sure it dries well, and then we'll get on to the next part. So once your dahlias have been drying out for a decent amount of time and they shouldn't have no moisture or anything on them, you want to get the boxes ready. So what I've done is gone to like a local supermarket or grocery store and just ask if they've got any spare boxes, and they're more than likely going to say yes. So that's a good way to get some free boxes. You just literally go to put them together if they're not put together, because they often flat pack them for storage. So once you've taped it all up, what you want to do is get something to poke some holes in it. We're going to do this just to allow some more circulation around it, because otherwise if any moisture does come out of the dahlias, it's just going to sit in there and go all mouldy and horrible. So we just want to let a bit of circulation. So literally poke a good few holes in. So once you've done that, your box is all pretty much ready. But we need something to put around the dahlias before we put them in. So as you can see, these are the dahlias. Been drying for quite a while now because I've had troubles resourcing some boxes and some sawdust. But they might have gone a little bit softer, but this should still be quite firm. And this is when, if you can see any mould or rot or anything on them, just cut that tuber off. And as you can see, these stems have died back now, so that's all good. So you want to get some animal bedding, wood shavings, sawdust or anything like that to put around the dahlias. This will soak up any excess moisture and keep them from freezing. So I'm just going to pour a little bit in the bottom first, if I can get some to come out, because it's a bit compacted. Just put a thin layer in the bottom so the dahlias aren't sitting on the bottom if it just gets a little bit damp on the bottom. So there you can see a little layer, little layer of shavings on the bottom. So hopefully this tuber fits in. If not, I'll have to get another one. Nope, the tuber does not fit in.
A few moments later.
So hopefully I've got a tuber that will fit now. Just going to gently put it in there like that. I've got some bigger boxes for the bigger tubers as well. I'm just going to get some more shavings. I think I'll go around the other side. Let's get some more shavings. Put over like that. Put that bag down. And that should be it. You don't want to put too many round, otherwise it will suffocate them. And that should be alright. I'm just going to close that lid off a little bit like that. And probably just put another box on top. We don't want to completely seal the top off though. If you just put another box on top, that should allow some more ventilation. So thanks for watching and sticking by. So just a quick little video. I wanted to show you how I do my dahlias. If you've got any other ways or anything how you do them, leave that down in the comments below. I hope it did help. A few things I mentioned with like how to source the boxes and that. And yeah, click that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, leave a like and everything. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye bye everybody.